Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to convert CSV file to Excel. So first of all, I'm going to just go ahead to my files, and as you can see right here, I have the CSV file appearing in front of me, and I want to actually turn it or convert it to to the Excel file. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser and basically type convert CSV file to Excel, and you're gonna be able to see a free website that allows you to turn or convert a CSV file to Excel. And basically I'm gonna just go ahead right here to this website, for example, convert to, and then just go ahead and then choose the file from my files and click choose file. Basically I'm gonna choose this file, click open, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and convert it to CSV, PNG, whatever might be. I'm gonna just go ahead into making it to my Excel, basically, right? So as you can see right here, convert CSV to XLSX, which means Excel, and basically hit convert right here, and you're gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here. And as you can see, now the file has been converting right now. So I'm gonna just wait it out, and as you can see, the file has been downloaded. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and hit download, right? And basically I'm gonna just download it right here. I'm gonna just open the downloads right here on your phone. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.